Unlocking bargains, understanding, steal of a deal. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase that's all about finding an amazing bargain. Steal of a deal. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means or how to use it in conversation, you're in the right place. So, let's explore and unlock the value hidden in this intriguing expression. Steal of a deal is a phrase that you might hear when someone is talking about an exceptional bargain. The word steal here doesn't refer to actually stealing, but rather suggests that the deal is so good, it's almost as if you're getting it for free. It's often used when someone finds an item or service at a price much lower than expected. To fully understand steal of a deal, let's break it down. Steal, typically associated with taking something without permission, but in this context, it implies getting something of great value at a very low cost. Deal refers to an agreement or an arrangement, often related to buying or selling. When combined, these words create a phrase that celebrates finding something at a price that feels like a major win. Now that you know what the phrase means, let's see it in action. Here are some examples. 1. I bought this designer dress for just $50. It was a steal of a deal. 2. Can you believe it? The guy at the store offered me this laptop at half price. It was a real steal of a deal. Notice how the phrase adds excitement and emphasizes the great value of the purchase. It's worth noting that steal of a deal is a very positive phrase in English-speaking cultures. It's often associated with smart shopping, savvy negotiations, and the joy of finding a bargain. However, it's best used in informal situations, like chatting with friends or sharing your shopping wins. In conclusion, understanding phrases like steal of a deal can add flavor to your conversations and help you express excitement about a great bargain. We hope this video has been a steal of a deal for your language learning journey. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, but also about the cultural and emotional nuances of phrases like these. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.